Hello there, welcome to your Wednesday evening weather update from the Met Office. The weather ramps up twice over the next 48 hours. A squally band of rain through Thursday, and then Storm Eowyn comes in through the early hours of Friday, bringing multiple hazards. Most parts of the country will see rain, wind, some snow in the north and also some damaging winds. Before that, though, it's fairly quiet into Thursday morning away from Northern Ireland and also cold. And then this squally band of rain moves in. We've got a wind warning covering the West Wales, western parts of England, the south coast of England. About 4 to 5 hours of very strong winds. Gusts could reach 50 to 60 miles an hour as that rain, hail snow pushes towards the far northeast. And then we watch as Storm Eowyn comes in through Thursday night and into Friday. For the time being, it's fairly quiet outside. We'll see some starry skies, fairly widespread frost across central eastern areas of Scotland, pushing down towards the northeast of England. And elsewhere, we could see some rural frost as we head into the first part of Thursday. Now, towards the west, the winds will pick up for Northern Ireland. Eventually, you'll see that rain, so a wet and windy start to the day here. A cold one elsewhere, but some brighter skies coming through. Variable amounts of cloud, but also a little sunshine. In fact, we hang on to some drier weather across the far northeast of Scotland until much later on into the day. Perhaps by the time sun sets, you may see that rain. Not the case for Northern Ireland. You'll see it first. So wet and windy here. By around 8 o'clock, West Wales, the West Country, seeing that rain. And then the winds really pick up some strength, gusts 50 miles an hour across the coastline. The rain extends across much of western and southern parts of Scotland before clearing Northern Ireland by around lunchtime. Northern England seeing it, and then some heavy rain down towards the southeast through the afternoon, again with those squally winds. Eventually will clear here. The east coast seeing that rain till probably evening time, but that rain turning to snow over the higher ground of Scotland as it eventually reaches Caithness and Orkney through the latter part of tomorrow afternoon. A reminder of that warning zone for wind through the day across West Wales, West Country, the south coast of England. Temperatures still on the low side. Now here's Storm Eowyn coming in through into Friday morning. This is a deep area of low pressure causing multiple hazards across the whole of the country. So let's just pick up on some of these warnings for you. All of these are on our website, but certainly this amber warning, this is for central and southern parts of Scotland, northern England down towards Derbyshire, the northern and northwestern part of Wales and Northern Ireland. On the southern flank of this low, a real squeeze on the isobars, and we could see gusts up to 90 miles an hour. That's going to cause a lot of problems. So disruptive winds, there could be power cuts, flying debris, trees could be uprooted, certainly bridges will be closed, very high waves associated with it as well. So dangerous conditions for driving into Friday morning as these strongest winds extend across this central swathe of the country. Now, there's wind warnings elsewhere, and winds could actually reach 50, perhaps even 60 miles an hour across exposure associated with this yellow wind warning. Also, a warning for snow across central northern areas of Scotland. So, as the rain bumps into the cold air, it will turn to snow, even for the central belt, where with those winds, we could actually see some gales and blizzard conditions. Now, accumulations are likely, particularly above around 200-300 metres, up to 25 centimetres in places. We also have a rain warning across Wales and the West Country through the morning on Friday. We're likely to see some high rainfall totals associated with this cold front. So some very wet conditions here, but the rain will clear. So this is the centre of the low, and it's moving towards the northeastern area of Scotland. As you can see, this amber warning extends throughout the day, and that wind warning covers most of the country through the afternoon away from East Anglia as well as the East Midlands. Now into Saturday morning, we still have that wind warning for Scotland. Rain eventually clears Shetland into Saturday, and then things, generally speaking, will calm down, although this weather front here could bring a bit more cloud and a few showers from time to time. Things change yet again towards the southwest into Sunday. Now, let's pick up on the detail through Thursday evening. You can see this rain clearing off the scene, then some calm conditions for a time, some clearer weather as well, and temperatures taking quite a tumble, particularly across the northern half of the UK. Here's that rain moving in after midnight. Some hill snow also for Northern Ireland. Strong winds associated with it. These are going to pick up to gales and then severe gales as this rain extends across the country through the early hours of Friday morning, turning to snow across Pennine, southern uplands, and then the highlands of Scotland, turning back to rain towards the south there, but some really squally winds. damaging gusts associated with it as well. And then this wraparound here bringing more rain to Northern Ireland through Friday morning as the rain clears towards the southeast through the day. Some heavy showers associated with it as well, filing in across Northern Ireland. But look at this swirl of strong winds, which will pick up across most of Scotland and continuing very windy across northern England and North Wales through the afternoon. That whole system clears northeastwards, and that means we'll see some brighter skies on Saturday, a legacy of clouds and some patchy rain towards the southeast. More details of the outlook and the 10-day trend this week on YouTube. It's with Ada McGibbon, and I'll see you again soon.